store this massive toolbox. To me, I've never had a toolbox this big. I'm very excited. So yeah, it's a, I think a 1950s Craftsman box. She's definitely rough, but I think we can do something with it, hopefully. Gotta fix some stuff, we gotta clean some stuff. Here, I'll get you in here. She's a little bit rough, but yeah, it's missing the door thing that comes down up here, but whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna start with vacuuming it out. Try to get all the loose dirt and crap out of it. And then we'll go from there, I guess. Okay, I don't know how great you can see right now. It's definitely looking cleaner. There we go. We got her. I guess you just pull real hard. Hopefully the rest are like that. Some stuff back here. Feed and something for drills with high-speed steel. Neat. Okay, no insulation and peanuts. And kind of scared to reach my hand in there. Actually, very scared. Alright, got the drawers out. That was a pain. I actually got everything out of there. Even the thing that holds the drawers, that was arguably even more of a pain, but I just figured the more we can get out, the more we can clean, so. But yeah, I'm gonna take this all outside and just start cleaning and sanding, and oh, it's gonna be a pain. Yeah. But yeah, at least we got them out of there. She's definitely rough, but it's not rusted through anywhere, I don't think. Maybe, I don't know. It doesn't look like it's quite rusted through, so we'll see what we can do with it. But yeah, it looks pretty good up there, kind of. You know, it's just right there is looking bad. Alright, I started editing this video last night. I'm gonna start off with saying I apologize for the microphone. I'm gonna try to deal with that. We've obviously stripped most of the thing of paint and rust, but there's still a reasonable amount in there. It looks better on camera, but believe me. And then a decent amount in there. So, I mean, sides are looking pretty good, top's looking decent other than where that one sticker was. You can see I'm kind of getting there, but the other side looks decent. We got a spot there. The whole inside of the lid I don't know what to do with. I still haven't figured out what I'm going to do with that hinge. It's not very good looking, but I don't know. Last night I was looking at it and I was kind of thinking, well, what if we took this hinge that isn't being used because we don't have the door for it and tried to put it in there? But to get that one out, I think you'd have to drill these little spot welds out, and then you got a bunch of holes there. I don't know if I like that. And then I'm gonna have to drill this one out and try to get that pin out. I've already tried to do that and it doesn't want to move very much, so then I have to try to get the pin out and then drill the spot welds out on that, take that one out, and then I'm gonna have to actually bolt that one on. I don't have a riveter. I've got rivets, but not a riveter, obviously, because I'm cheap and just never have the right tool. But so is that really ideal? Probably not. It's holding. It doesn't look very good, you know. You got this top part isn't looking too bad for rust, other than like in this corner, and I do kind of want to keep that, but I don't know, is it really worth it trying to keep that? I might as well try to sand this and just get it done, but there just really isn't that much rust, so I might keep this the original color and the way it is and just clean up that corner, and you know, but we'll see. I don't know what I have for paint. Well, I do, it's not much. So we got a broken off tab, like that's what's supposed to be there. That one's broken off. We got 1, 2, 3 on that one. That one's bent back, probably just about to come off. That one's good, but it's got the other side of it in it. And then those two are good, but yeah, I'd be surprised if that just bends back and doesn't break right off. So we're gonna deal with that. And then these are all the bent and mangled rails. There's not very many of them, I guess 4, but yeah. There's 4 that are severely bent, I would say. Yeah, these are the rest of them. These all look fine, other than some of them are missing the little tab thing, so we got some issues, that's for sure. But I know, like there's one good one that isn't bent. There's another good one. There's another good one. There's another good one. Another one. Another one. And another one. So only that one is missing the tab there, out of these. So that's not too bad. That one's broken off. That one's broken off. That one's there, so that's good. And then that one's broken off on both sides. So yeah, it's not going to be perfect, but it's definitely going to be a lot better. we're calling this done. I didn't put the handle on this side. I did put the other on the other one. They're going to be touching, so. But it looks pretty good. I started polishing this drawer, but it didn't really do a whole lot. I mean, a little bit, but I don't know. I'm lazy, so kind of hit the handles there real quick. I don't know. It's not perfect, but I think it looks pretty cool, especially next to that thing. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, that was a journey. But I'm happy I did it. I've got a nice toolbox now. Pretty cool. And it looks neat. It's unique. This basement is pretty dry, so it's not gonna rust right out on, you know. It'll get a little bit of surface rust, but it's fine. You just get a little bit of patina, you know. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I really do, because I put a lot of work into it. But the main idea was to have tool storage, and this one's a little bit a little bit weird, but it's not bad if you actually use both hands, you know. But yeah, I think we accomplished our goal, and it was free. I still can't believe that, looking at it now. But yeah, I just want to keep showing it off, but I'll end the video here. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, whatever. It means a lot. But that's it.